paper. Who can tell me, who remembers what this is called? Whisper it to your hand. Release. Yes, good job. It is called a number line. What word? Get ready. Number line. Yes. Say it one more time. Number line. Get ready. Number line. And we have been working with number lines. Yesterday, we learned that we could use our little skip counter guy, and we skip counted forward, and we solved problems skip counting back. And we're going to use the same processes that we did when we skip counted forward and when we skip counted back to help Sheldon the turtle move in his pond on his number line lily pad. And we're going to use stories about Sheldon to solve addition and subtraction problems. But before we can do that, we need to review a few things. Now, you're right. What's this called? Get ready. Number line. Yes, number line. Good job remembering. Okay, we talked about number lines, and there's something at the end of this number line going that direction, and there's something at the end of the number line going in that direction. What was that called? Whisper it to the hand. Release. Yes, arrows. A number line has arrows on both sides of it. And when there's arrows on both sides of the number line, there's a big word that means we can go on and on and on. It's endless. There's no end to it. We can count going this direction, and we can count going that direction. What is that word? Whisper it to your hand. Release. Yeah, I heard it. Good job. Now, remember I said Buzz Lightyear says, what does he say? To infinity and beyond. So class, let's read this word. Get ready. Infinity. Infinity. And that is what a number line has. It has numbers that go on in that direction or in that direction. So we're going to talk about and review what we learned about the number line. I'm going to ask you some review questions. Okay, using our number line, we're going to go back. And now we have added and subtracted using towers. We used towers where we added towers and built bigger towers. We also remodeled our towers, and we took blocks away. We subtracted pieces. We added and subtracted in doing tallies. We drew pictures. So we know how to add and subtract. But yesterday, we did our little skip counting. And so when we skip count forward on our number line, do our numbers get bigger or smaller? Whisper to your hand. Release. Yes, as we skip forward on the number line, our numbers get bigger. So repeat. Repeat after me. When we skip forward on our number line, our numbers get bigger. Your turn. Get ready. Yes, good job. Again, let's say it together. Get ready. As we skip forward on our number line, our numbers get bigger. Good job. Okay, now when we move forward on our number line, what direction are we going? Yes, I'm seeing all of you point that way. Our numbers get bigger when we go that way. And now, what direction do we need to go for our numbers to get smaller? Okay, good job. We go in that direction. So let's, the number sentence we just said, if when we go forward our numbers get bigger, does that mean we have more of something, or does that mean we have less of something? Whisper it to your hand. release. That means, you're right, we have more of something. So, when we move forward on the number line, our numbers get, good job, bigger, and we have more of something. Let's say that again. When we move forward on our number line, our numbers get bigger, and we have more of something. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to talk about that direction. If we go back, like we skip counted back, if we go back on our number line, do our numbers get bigger or do they get smaller? Whisper it to your hand. Release. Yes, that is right. They get smaller. So, let's say this together. Get ready? When we go back on our number line, our numbers get smaller. Again, when we go back on our number line, our numbers get smaller. Okay, so if our numbers get smaller when we go in that direction, does that mean we have more of something or less than something? Whisper it to your hand. Release. Yes, that means that when we go back, our numbers get smaller, and it means we have less. Let's say that together. When we move back on our number line, our numbers get smaller, and we have less. Okay, your turn. I want you to say that. Get ready? When we move back, our numbers get smaller, and we have less. Okay? I want you guys to partner up, and I want you to tell your partner, using your hands, that when we move forward on our number chart, our numbers get bigger, and when we move back on our number chart, our numbers get smaller. And I want you to tell your partner, as our numbers get bigger, we have more of something, and if our numbers get smaller, we have less of something. Your turn. Get ready. Whisper nice. I'm going to be watching. Class, are we ready? Yes. Good job with that, class. I like how you guys work together to solve the problems. Okay, so this is one of the new words that we're going to have today, and it is called, an addition equation for a subtraction equation. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Okay, addition equation and subtraction equations. And the first one that we are going to do, and we're going to use our little Sheldon. I'm actually going to leave him sit there. Our first problem that we are going to do is, Sheldon lives in a little pond. And every time that Sheldon swims his strokes, he moves one place. Just like when we skip counted, if we skip count from 0 to 1, we have skip counted how many places? Get ready? 1. That's right. So every time that Sheldon moves from place to place, he moves one spot, one tally, one block, whatever we have used. It's 1. So we're going to use our equation, our addition problem. And I'm going to write it up here. The addition problem for this story is 0 plus 4 equals equals something. Okay, so we are going, I'm just gonna move this off to the side now. Now, we have addition equation and subtraction equation. What are we doing? Yes, we're adding. So this would be an addition equation. Let's say that together. Addition equation. Get ready? Addition equation. Good job. Okay, so we are going to do what this says. It says, how many swim strokes would it take Sheldon to move forward from lily pad 0 to lily pad 4? Okay, so if he's on lily pad 0 and he wants to swim to lily pad 4, let's do the work and show. So he's on 0 and we're going to go 1 stroke, stroke 2, count with me, stroke 3, stroke 4. And we're going to stop because we went 4 places. So, how many did he do? He went 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer would be 4. We could also write it this way. We know that he did a stroke. 1 tally, he went another one, and another one. So let's add up our tallies. Count with me, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is the same. So if he was on 0 and he did 4 strokes, it would be 0 plus 4 equals 4. I want you to say that along with me. 0 plus 4 equals 4. And this is an addition equation. Read that with me. Addition equation. Get ready? Addition equation. Good job. Okay, so I'm going to subtract that one, and we are going to practice doing another story problem using Sheldon. Okay, let's read. It says, how many strokes would it take Sheldon to swim from lily pad 0 to lily pad number 6? And they give us the addition equation, the addition problem, the plus problem. Okay, they said that Sheldon started on 0. There's Sheldon. And he is going to swim to lily pad number 6. So here is lily pad number 6. We know that's where we have to stop. So let's do our swim strokes. So start at 0. So 1 stroke. Count with me. 2 strokes. 3 strokes. 4 strokes. 5 strokes. And 6 strokes. Okay, now we can go back and we can count how many strokes it took him. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many strokes did it take? Whisper it to your hand. Release. Yes, 6. 6. Let's read this addition problem. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Repeat after me. 0 plus 6 equals 6. Good job. Now turn to your partner and I want you to read that to your partner. Get ready? Class, are you ready?